Sabi ni Moses kay God, hindi ako magaling magsalita. Sabi gano'n ni Moses. Iba na lang ang padala mo. Nagalit si God noon. Lawrence, hindi aksidente na nandito ka. Hindi aksidente na you're one of the leaders of Archipelago. The question is, do we step up into leadership? Quick story na lang, last story time. Do you know the story of Moses? Tama ba? Si Moses, alam natin, siya yung di ba, yung mataas yung baha. Hindi po, si Noah yun. Hindi, si Moses lang. Quick story about Moses. Moses was called by God. Di ba the story in the Bible? Moses was called by God. Sabi sa kanya, after 500 years that my people, the Jews, are slaves of the Egyptians, sabi sa kanya, I'm gonna appoint you, Ma'am Gina, to lead my people out of slavery. Ganun nangyari kay Moses eh. Natandaan niyo yung story? May burning bush, kinakausap siya ni God. Ano sabi ni Moses? Alam mo sabi niya? Bakit ako? Sabi ni Moses kay God, hindi ako magaling magsalita. Sabi gano'n ni Moses. Iba na lang ang padala mo. Nagalit si God noon. Kaya mo yan. Ako maglalagay sa'yo ng mga sasabihin mo. Sabi ni Moses, parang hindi ko kaya. May lacking in confidence. Kaya ginawa nila, nagsettle sila ni God. Sabi niya, sige, papadala ko na lang yung isang kapatid mo para siya na lang magsasalita on behalf of you. That story is not well known. Kasi ang kadalasan story of Moses was, di ba, ang ginawa niya, tinaas niya yung staff. Humiwala yung dagat. Pag nagpe-pray siya, nauhulog ang mga mana, di ba? That's fast forward to leaders, to the leader that he was. But before, maybe you and I are like Moses, who are not that confident, who are not that hindi pa ganun ka-strong in terms of leadership. What I'm trying to say is, today, the leadership position that you have, I don't know how spiritual or religious you are, but I'm a spiritual person. Lawrence, hindi aksidente na nandito ka. Hindi aksidente na you're one of the leaders of Archipelago. It was never an accident. You were appointed. You guys were appointed. There's no accident. The question is, do we step up into leadership? Do we play our role to the fullest that we can do and serve